Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan from the IELTS PAL Online and hope everybody is doing pretty well. The announcement that I have brought for you today is my new schedule for the IELTS online classes, both academic and general. Yes, I have scheduled my new classes and that is starting from 19th of January 2024 and it is 1.5 hours of classes. The timing starts from 6:15 p.m. to 7:45. Right? It's 6:15 to 7:45. And furthermore, if you want to get a free demonstration class, so you can also book a free demonstration class from me. And in this way, you will be able to get yourself well acquainted about my teaching methodology. So if you're planning to take your IELTS test in the coming 3 to 4 months, so you can contact me and get yourself trained entirely for your desired bands in the IELTS test. Okay. Furthermore, when you will be planning to go to abroad and you will be planning to get admission in any of the good universities in United States, Canada, Australia, or UK, so you can contact me for this purpose as well. I will be very happy to assist you in these cases as well, right? So just grab up your phone and book a demonstration class, and my classes are starting from 19th of January 2024. Remember the date. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.